Hey YouTube, I'm here with our next Java tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use if statements with integers. So yeah, let's just jump right in. So I'm going to use the scanner class again in this tutorial, and let's of course import it, import java.util.scanner. Remember, scanner is uppercase and your line with a semicolon. Scanner, now let's make our object, scanner scan equals new scanner. Don't forget system.in as our parameters. And like I said in the previous video, if you haven't seen it, check it out, because that first off explains how to use an if statement with strings also. And secondly, if you don't know, I'm going to be adding in advanced vocab in these tutorials for people that are just reviewing Java and not actually learning it. Anyways, so next thing we're going to do, we're going to make an integer. So we're going to do int age equals 3000. Oh, excuse me there. I caught a cold earlier, so I'm kind of dealing with that. So then int age, I'm going to do int answer, and we're just going to keep that blank like in our previous tutorial, and yeah, that's just pretty much formatted the same way. So now we're going to write the line to let the user know what we're doing, system.out.println, of course, println, bam, and we're going to say enter your age, or how about the, yeah, enter your age works perfectly fine. And we're going to say if, oh no, we have to make the users, whatever the user, I'm sorry, whatever the user typed in equal to whatever we're doing. So int, we're going to do answer equals scan dot next int. Remember, int is uppercase because it's a method, and the second word in the method is always capitalized. I know you don't know that yet, but for people are reviewing it, there you go. I said it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to say is if, we're actually going to type the if statement. So if answer equals age, then we're going to type in the word system.out.println, or we're going to make it say, not type in the word, what am I talking about? Let's see, how do we do PB and Java is the best. Yep, that is right. I said it like that. You have a problem? No, just kidding. Oh, yeah, so that's pretty much how you use if statements with integers. Just remember, instead of using dot equals, you just use the words not the words, the characters equal. And what that is saying is it's comparing the two and seeing if they're equal to each other. And when you have just one equals, what's happening is you're declaring, or you're setting a value to it. So since we're not setting the value age to answer, we're going to use equals because we want to compare the two. And yeah, now this kind of leads me into using what are they called? I don't remember. I'll title in the next tutorial. Yeah, pretty much there's a bunch of these that you kind of need to know, and I'll go over that later in the next tutorial and make a whole tutorial devoted to that. So yeah, so that's how you use variables. I'm just going to run it real fast, and the same thing goes for doubles, except you use next double instead of next int. So enter your age. I'm going to say I'm 3000, so it works. And PB in Java is the best. Now, if you don't know how to use else if and if, or was it else statements, go check out my previous tutorial with strings, and the same exact thing applies to doubles and integers. So stay tuned for watching, and prepare for my next tutorial.